2 anni. Oh, finally. He found it. Now we follow him.
To Rome, boss?
Train, 11 p.m. Rome. Don't lose him. Sandro, be quiet right now.
Sorry, boss.
Rome. We go to Rome tonight.
Italy! Sophie, we're actually in Italy!
The children, David, behind us.
Italy smells like pizza. I can tell. Leo, we just landed.
Ciao, I'm Marco. Welcome to Italy.
Why are you holding your bag like that? Leo, he never puts that bag down. Abby is full of pizza.
Say it bellissimo. It means very beautiful.
Pizza! Bellissimo pasta! Bellissimo meat! Mom, Marco never lets anyone touch that.
Anna, he's our guide. Trust him.
I brought my emergency torch. For caves. Good thinking, Leo. Actually, good thinking.
Venice next! Anna, can you believe it?
Dad, that man is watching Marco's bag.
Venice was built on wooden poles, under the water.
That's extraordinary. How long did that take?
Stop! You've been following Marco all day!
What? I am a tourist! Per favore!
Anna, that man had pictured gondolas. I know, Leo, I know. I was wrong. But Marco is still hiding something.
She was painted 500 years ago. Still beautiful.
Why do you always hold your bag?
It's important to me, Anna.
Dad, that man has followed us from Venice.
Anna, Italy is full of tourists, sweetheart.
Stop! You took Marco's backpack! Stop right there!
Signorina, this is my bag. Per favore.
Anna, this has to stop. You frighten people.
But Mom, Marco's hiding something real. What if I'm wrong again? What if I can't do this?
You're very brave, Anna, even when you're wrong.
I'm not wrong about you, Marco. Marco, what's actually in your bag?
Something I need to protect, Leo.
He said he needs to protect it, Leo. Protect pizza? Weird.
Tomorrow, Marco takes us to the caves in Puglia.
The children will love that.
In Italia, grazie, like we mean it.
Grazie, Marco. It's cold in here. I didn't expect cold. Stay close to me, okay? Stay close.
Anna, stay very close. Don't leave my side.
Why? What's wrong? What did you hear?
This way, staff tunnel. Trust me, now. Marco, what's happening? Where are we going?
Anna, I need to show you something now.
I'm ready. I've been ready.
Marco, where did this actually come from? My father found this cave. My family's discovery.
Oh, Marco was never the thief.
Marco,
I've been waiting a very long time.
I know. The answer is still no. Nobody move! Stay very... Oh, no. Sorry.
He fell. The scary man just fell.
Please, there are children here. Please.
Nobody gets hurt. Just give me the bag.
It's not over yet. I promise you that. Come on. Almost there.
Ah, you did it. Andiamo. Right now.
Car park. We need the car park. The security office is locked. It's locked. What do we do? Anna, what now? Anna, what if I signal with the torch? Do it. Keep doing it. Don't stop.
David, they're here. The police came.
Leo's torch. Torch did that. I said the cave had ghosts. Never listened.
It did feel ghosty.
Signore Ricci, it belongs to your family.
Grazie mille.
You were right from the beginning.
I was wrong first. Twice.
Thank you for keeping them safe today. Anna kept everyone safe. Ask her.
I was wrong too. I should have listened.
You couldn't have known, Mom.
Every star, place where you were brave.
Even Venice? When I was very wrong?
Especially Venice. Being wrong takes real courage too.
Mine should be a pizza torch. Both things.
Done. You earned both.
You stopped a thief because you never stopped looking.
After Sienna.
Almost stopping and continuing anyway, that's the brave part.
I was wrong twice, but I kept going. That mattered.
Next time you visit Italy, the caves remember you.
I'll be back.
When I'm older. Ciao, Marco. You were bellissimo. Mostly.
Andiamo, Leo. Look after your sister. We came for a holiday. Anna stopped a crime.
We mostly just ran.
Which star was your favorite, Leo? The pizza one, obviously.
Home. We're actually home.
Put the kettle on, David.
We have no Italian food. Disaster.
We've been home 4 minutes, Leo.
I bought ice cream before we left. Planned ahead.
You are bellissimo.
Italian ice cream is better, but this is okay.
Leo, eat your ice cream.
We're home.
We're home.
Dad, why aren't all houses these colors?
That's a very good question, Leo.
Romeo and Juliet stood here. Can you imagine?
It's a story, Mom.
It's still beautiful.
Brunelleschi built this without modern tools, without a computer.
My father climbed this tower after he found it.
I understand why.
There's a hole in the roof. On purpose.
That's the whole point, Leo.
Anna sees things most adults miss. She has been like this since 3.
Leo, one flavor. Choose carefully.
I need to try all of them first.
What do you think? Honest answer.
I think it's the best thing I've eaten.
Same time next year?
Different country, yes.
Same family.
Next time I'll still look, but I'll wait longer. Ciao, Rome. I'll miss the pizza. Ciao. I'll come back for something better.
They confirmed it. The cave belongs to us now.
Your father would be proud.
So we helped save a diamond.
Cool. Yes, Leo. That's what happened.
Italian basil. It grows if you talk to it.
I know what to say. Ciao. I went to Italy. It was bellissimo.
Anmo! It means let's cook dinner, yes?
It means let's go, David.
Next year, will she find another mystery?
Anna always finds something.